New BMW iX3 will be the brand's first model to also be produced for export at the Shenyang manufacturing facility in China. Market launch will begin in China later in 2020. Strategic power of choice approach covers broad spread of customer requirements and statutory regulations around the world. BMW X3 is the first model to be available with a petrol or diesel engine, plug-in hybrid drive system or all-electric drive system. New BMW iX3 blazes a trail for fifth-generation BMW eDrive technology. Major progress made in terms of power density, operating range, weight, installation space requirement and flexibility. Power density of the electric drive system increased by 30% over the BMW Group's existing fully electric vehicles. Gravimetric energy density of the high-voltage battery at cell level up by 20%. Latest versions of the electric motor, power electronics, charging technology, and high-voltage battery, all developed in-house, will also be deployed in the BMW iNEXT and BMW